Hello, this is Kamalpreet Kaur, working as a lecturer in Thapa Polytechnic College. Today we will learn something about the mobile repair course. Before starting about the mobile repair, let us know about the telecom industry in India. Telecom industry is the fastest growing industry in India. India also being the fourth largest developing country in the world, the telecom industry is accounting to its GDP growth about 2.1% of the total growth in the country. Telecom industry growth also accounts to the rural development of the country, as allowing the rural areas for the farmers and the students to know more knowledge by use of this wireless and telecom industry techniques, we can have the rural development of the country. Second point that can account to the telecom growth is about the job creation. Yes, by this telecom growth, many jobs are there, like for the data entry operators, for the engineers, for the mobile set companies also, and for the mobile repairs also. So we can say that growth of telecom industry in the country will have more jobs for the youth in the country. Also, we can also say that gender equality is also possible. Like the ladies can work from home by this telecom industry. Telecom includes many things like for wireless, phones, mobiles, and internet usage. This is all included in telecom industry. Now, who owns it? Who does it? This is what we have to know now further. TRAI, the Indian Telecom Regulatory Authority has been appointed by the government. It is an independent regulator of the government, but it accounts many functions like accounting for the new licensing of the new service providers, ensuring technical compatibilities, also with setting disputes between the service providers, and many other such functions have been performed by this TRAI. Having talked about the telecom industry, now we'll have a part of telecom industry, that is a mobile phone. A mobile handset, what is it? As we all know, it is a hardware device used for communicating. Basically, in engineer's point of view, a handset is a full duplex device. Means we can talk and we can listen at the same time from the same device. We use different frequencies, one for talking and the other for receiving the phones. Depending upon the model of the mobile phone, we have different mobile phone features. Using a mobile phone, we can store the contact information, make to-do lists, keep track of appointments, watch TV, send and receive emails. We can text messages can be sent from it. We can play games on it and many other features depending upon the models. Now, what is a handset made up of? It is basically hardware and software. Talking about hardware, we have few parts like microprocessor. This is the brain and the heart of the handset. Then we have memories, read-only memory and random access memory. We have a signal processor, a radio module, microphone and speakers, hardware interfaces are present, and also LCD displays are present. There are more than 4.8 billion cellular phones in use throughout the world. And out of these, millions of phones get physically damaged either by moisture or by scratching or by dropping. Like any other hardware, today these handsets are very popular and it requires repair services, and also thus acquiring repair training courses can result in career gains in telecom companies. You can easily start your cell phone repair business at few budgets. After going through this course, you can easily expand your cellular repair business. Starting a phone business does not require much capital. In fact, you can even start this business with a mere rupees of 10,000 or less, growing to the big phone repair business provider in the city or in the locality. All this said and done, it is time to learn how you can start the phone repair business.